So this particular build started with a relatively rust-free 1963 Scout 80, the very first model of the Scout, including a folding windshield, removable top. The floorboards were rusted through. That's pretty common on these types of vehicles, so that's been repaired and replaced. Any body damage was taken care of with days and days of proper block sanding, priming, and painting. The body lines are straight, the truck is rust-free, and it's also been designed to be user-friendly. This is a RestoMod. It does not have the original slant 4, and what you have instead is a Cummins Turbodiesel. And what you get from that is better reliability. So here we have a cold engine start. Here it is. I can easily place my hand on the components. It is nice and cold. Firing it up right now. Even the tailgate has been modernized with click-shut latches and cables instead of the original chains. That eliminates a carburetor, that eliminates an ignition coil, that eliminates a choke, that eliminates a lot of complexity that sometimes can make an older vehicle finicky. This is designed to just be plug and play.